Hello friends, welcome back to GK Malayalam. This video is consisted of questions and answers related to Gandhiji. First question is, who is known as the father of India? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. When was Mahatma Gandhi born? October 2nd, 1869. Mahatma Gandhi was born in which place? Answer is Porbandar, situated in Gujarat. What was the name of Gandhi's father? Answer is Karamchand Gandhi. What is the name of Gandhiji's autobiography? My Experiment with the Truth. What does the word Gandhi means? Answer, grocer. At whose insistence Gandhiji was sent to UK for studies? Brahmin priest Mavji Dav. The society that Gandhiji formed in UK. Answer is Vegetarian Club. Gandhiji left India for UK for higher studies on? Answer is 1888. Wardha Ashram where Gandhi stayed is located in which state? Answer is Maharashtra. Where did Gandhiji stay in London during his first visit? West Kensington. When Mahatma Gandhi and his volunteers Dandi March? 1930, March 12th. What was Gandhi's nickname in childhood? Answer is Monia. Port in UK where Gandhiji landed? Southampton. College in UK where Gandhiji studied law? Answer is University College. When did Gandhiji's last visit UK? 1931 to attend Round Table Conference. Which spelling did Gandhiji spell wrong as a child in front of his inspector? Answer is kettle. In which year did Gandhi go to South Africa to practice law? Answer is 1893. When is the International Day of Non-Violence celebrated? 2nd October. Name of the childhood friend with whom Gandhiji ate meat? Sheikh Mehtab. Which play studied the virtue of truth in Gandhiji's mind? Harishchandra. The word which Gandhiji misspelled during a school inspection? Answer is kettle. What was Gandhiji's wife's name? Answer is Kasturbai. In which year did Gandhiji go to England to become a barrister? Answer, 1888. In which language did Gandhi write his autobiography? In Gujarati. In India, where did Gandhi's first satyagraha start from? Champaran, in Bihar. Political mentor of Mahatma Gandhi. Answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. What was Gandhi's age when he got married to Kasturbai? Answer, 13. Who called Gandhiji as Mahatma? Answer, Rabindranath Tagore. What was the title given by Mahatma Gandhi to his Gujarati translation of Unto the Last? Sarvodaya. Who is known as Bihar Gandhi? Answer, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which major family event happened in the spring of 1891 in India while Gandhiji was in UK, about which he was not informed? Answer, his mother's death. What was Gandhi's age when his father died? 16. Which musical instrument did Gandhiji try to learn to play in UK? Answer is violin. Who compared Gandhiji's Dandi March with Napoleon's journey to Paris? Subhash Chandra Bose. When did Gandhi launch Quit India movement? August 18 in 1942. What was the profession of Gandhi's father? Diwan. Who among these was Gandhi's spiritual mentor? Answer is Leo Tolstoy. Who is known as the father Gandhi, founder Gandhi? Abdul Ghaffar Khan. What is the symbol is Swachh Bharat Mission? Gandhi spectacles. How many sons did Gandhiji have? Answer is 4 sons. When did Gandhiji's father die? In 1885. Gandhiji's father was suffering from which disease? Answer is fistula. Who is known as African Gandhi? Nelson Mandela. When did Gandhiji's mother die? In 1891 when Gandhi was in UK. Gandhiji's 4th son Devidas Gandhi went on to become the editor of a prominent newspaper. Which was that newspaper? Answer is Hindu. The mythical character which impressed Gandhiji most during his childhood. Shravana Kumar. Gandhiji passed his matriculation examination from University of Bombay. Who killed Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi? Answer is Nathuram Vinayak Godse. When was Gandhiji assassinated? January 30th in 1948. Thank you.